In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Baidu Map app in 2026, step by step. First, open the Baidu Maps app on your device. Once the app loads, go to the bottom right corner and tap the section labeled Me. In the Chinese version, this usually appears as Wo Dai. This area is where you can access your account-related options and app preferences. After that, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. This will open the app's settings menu, where you can manage different preferences for the app. Now, look through the settings for an option called Language Settings, or in Chinese, Yu Yan Shezhi, or simply Yu Yan, which means language. Depending on the app version, the wording may be slightly different, but you're looking for the language-related option. Once you find it, tap on it to open the available language choices. Next, select English if it appears in the list. If English is available, choose it and allow the app to apply the change. In some cases, the change may not fully appear right away, so after selecting English, close the Baidu Maps app completely and then reopen it. This refresh helps the app load the updated language setting properly. When the app opens again, check the interface to see whether it has changed to English. If the menus and labels now appear in English, then the change was successful. If you don't see a full language setting in the app, there is another method you can try. Open Baidu Maps again and look at the top right area of the map screen for a globe icon. This icon may provide a quick map language option in some versions of the app. If you see the globe icon, tap it. Then select English from the available options. After that, the map labels may switch to English. This can be useful if you mainly want the streets, places, or map text to appear in English rather than changing every part of the app. Just keep in mind that even if the map labels switch to English, some parts of Baidu Maps may still remain in Chinese. This can include menus, business names, reviews, and navigation details. So if the app is only partially translated, that is normal. That's how to change the language in the Baidu Map app. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to make the app easier to use in English.